Students, welcome back to the biology class. In the lower classes, you have learnt about nutrition. That nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and utilizing it for their growth and development. So, nutrition is required by all organisms. Now we know that all animals depend on plants for food. Some animals are directly dependent on plants for food, like some herbivorous animals directly consume the plants, and some animals are indirectly dependent on plants for food. That is, they consume those herbivorous animals that are directly dependent on plants. Now, just like in restaurants, chefs cook the food first and then food is served to the people outside. Similarly, plants need to produce food first to be able to serve to different animals. So, the food is produced in the plant body by a process called photosynthesis. And this is our topic for today. Today, we will be discussing photosynthesis. Here, photo means light and synthesis means to put together. So, photosynthesis means to put it together using light. So, let us see how plants produce food by putting things together using light. Now, we do have a special room in our house known as the kitchen, where we prepare the food. So, where is the kitchen of the plants? The kitchen of the plant lies in green leaves. Green leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment is present in chloroplasts, and these chloroplasts are known as kitchen of the plants. Leaves are also known as food factory of the plant, as the process of photosynthesis is carried out in leaves. Now let us discuss the process of photosynthesis in plant. As already discussed, green plants contain pigment called chlorophyll, which is present in chloroplasts. This pigment gives green color to the plants. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves from the atmosphere. The roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. During the process of photosynthesis, chlorophyll converts sunlight into chemical energy in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. Glucose is the main product and oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis. Food is stored in the form of starch. The food formed by the leaves is transported to different parts of plant for utilization and storage. So, photosynthesis is the process in which plants use the light energy to combine carbon dioxide and water to make food, which is glucose and oxygen. Once glucose is formed, it is either used by plants or stored in the form of starch. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells. Let us discuss the equation for photosynthesis. If we look at the word equation, we see carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of light and chlorophyll, and glucose and oxygen are produced. So, when we look at the symbol equation, we see 6 molecules of carbon dioxide are combining with 6 molecules of water, and in the presence of light and chlorophyll, a molecule of glucose is produced and 6 molecules of oxygen are produced. Green plants are able to manufacture their own food. So, they are known as autotrophs. Here, autotroph word means self-nourishing. Let us see this video for the better understanding of the topic.
What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their own food by combining water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Plants need 3 things to prepare food: water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Water is absorbed by the roots and carried to the leaves by a special tissue called xylem. Carbon dioxide present in the air is absorbed by the leaves. Leaves contain minute pores called stomata. Carbon dioxide is taken in by the leaves through these pores. Leaf cells contain small compartments called chloroplasts. Chloroplast contains a green pigment called chlorophyll that captures sunlight. Also, chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis in a plant cell. Chloroplast combines water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight to produce oxygen and sugar in the form of glucose. Oxygen is released into the air through stomata. Glucose is used as food by the plant.
So students, today in this video we learnt about photosynthesis, which is a process in plant life in which green plants are able to make their own food. Let me ask you a question. All plants or all leaves are not green in color. Do the process of photosynthesis occur in other colored leaves? Think about it, and we will discuss this thing in our next virtual class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.